For our school, solar panel means that we can be a little bit more confident in the amount of energy that we use at the school. The kids are taught from very early on that solar energy is the way to the future. And I think having a practical example of that exists in the school means that the learning is contextualised. The VSBA have organised all of the contractors, and it was quite a quick and efficient way to get that done.
So as a present parent at the school, I was also on the school council that really focused on the school being the heart of the community and wanting that to set the example of clean energy and how you should be using renewables. That was a very easy process to have the solar panels installed at the school.
Solar power is important because it's sustainable for our future. By just being in a school, we can make a big difference by just having solar panels on our roof.
Our learning has adapted so much, laptops, just the big screens. Sometimes now they're really fancy whiteboards.
We'll use it for air conditioning, for heating, fridges, just all those everyday needs.
I think it's important because it can help us reduce all the coal that we're using.
It's better for the environment and it's a cleaner source of energy.
For many schools, there are hundreds of students in and out of classrooms using energy throughout the entire day. What we intend to do is ensure that our students have the capacity to charge their laptops at school. Lots of feedback from the community, a lot of people who are really supportive and really happy that the school has taken these steps in terms of becoming a school that uses renewable energy.